Home Remedies presents
How to make nutritious, gut-healing organic lamb stock soup. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video I will share with you a recipe on how to make nutritious and full of goodness lamb stock soup. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Well, there are 3 good reasons to make lamb stock soup at home. Number 1, it's better than anything you can buy. Number 2, it won't contain salt. Shop-bought stocks often contain too much. And number 3, it's highly nutritious and healthy and simple to make. Both meat stocks and bone broths are healing foods. The stock is milder in flavor than bone broth. Meat stock is made by cooking pieces of meat that have a joint in them, such as a whole chicken cut up or a beef or lamb shank. However, gelatin found in the joints and knuckles of bones is one of the most effective superfoods for healing a leaky gut. The nutrients extracted from the bones contain amino acids like glycine and glutamine that aids digestion and promotes gut health. It protects and heals the mucosal lining of the digestive tract and helps to regenerate cells. So let's see the simple recipe of today on how to make organic lamb stock soup. It can be used as both a stock to make other soups or consumed as a soup itself. Ingredients: lamb or chicken with bones 1 kg, onions 2 medium-sized roughly chopped, carrots 2 medium-sized peeled and chopped, salt Himalayan or sea salt 1 tablespoon, peppercorns 1 tablespoon, ginger 1 inch size grated, tomatoes 2 chopped in quarters, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, broccoli stem 1 small chopped, kale leaves 2, chili flakes half teaspoon, this is optional, turmeric half teaspoon, this is optional. Procedure: put all the ingredients except broccoli and kale in a pot and fill with 2 liters of filtered water. Bring it to a boil on a medium heat, removing any scum from top from time to time. Let it boil for 5 minutes, then turn it on a low heat with the lid on and let it simmer for 3 to 4 hours. 15 minutes before you turn the soup off, add the broccoli and kale. Enjoy your healthy, nutritious meat stock broth. You can freeze it if not using straight away. Stock freezes very well without harming its flavor.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.